Space exploration, it fires our imagination. We envision astronauts, rockets, distant planets, but there's a hidden danger: space debris. Millions of pieces, from defunct satellites to tiny flecks of paint, hurtle around Earth at incredible speeds. Invisible to the naked eye, this debris poses a serious threat to our spacefaring ambitions. Imagine a bolt no bigger than your thumb traveling at thousands of miles per hour. This is the reality of space debris. A collision with even a small fragment can cripple a satellite, jeopardizing communication, GPS, and weather forecasting. The International Space Station, our outpost in orbit, has to maneuver regularly to avoid these dangerous projectiles. The situation is getting worse. As we launch more satellites, the amount of debris multiplies. Each collision creates thousands more fragments, a domino effect known as the Kessler Syndrome. This could lead to a runaway chain reaction, making space exploration impossible for generations. The consequences of inaction are too great to ignore. Our reliance on space technology grows daily. Satellites connect us, guide us, and monitor our planet's health. But this vital infrastructure is at risk from space debris. A single collision can have cascading effects, disrupting our lives in profound ways. Consider the impact on communication. Satellites beam television signals, connect phone calls, and power the internet. Damage to these systems would disrupt global communication networks, isolating communities and hindering emergency response. The economic and social consequences would be significant. Navigation systems also depend on satellites. GPS guides our cars, ships, and airplanes. Accurate positioning is critical for transportation, logistics, and emergency services. Space debris collisions threaten to degrade these systems, leading to disruptions, delays, and even accidents. Scientific endeavors in space are equally vulnerable. Telescopes orbiting Earth provide us with invaluable data about the universe. Space debris impacts could damage these instruments, hindering our quest to understand the cosmos. The loss of scientific data would be a setback for humanity's pursuit of knowledge. Fortunately, innovative minds are tackling the space debris problem. Scientists and engineers are developing technologies to remove existing debris and prevent future collisions. These efforts offer hope for a cleaner and safer space environment. One promising solution is the space net. This concept involves deploying large nets to capture debris and drag it into Earth's atmosphere, where it will safely burn up. Think of it as a giant cosmic fishing net, clearing our orbital neighborhood. Another approach uses lasers. Ground-based lasers could target and vaporize small pieces of debris, essentially nudging them off course. This method, still in its early stages, offers a precise and potentially cost-effective way to address the smaller debris population. Robotics also plays a crucial role in cleanup efforts. Engineers are developing spacecraft equipped with robotic arms to grapple and deorbit large pieces of debris. These sophisticated machines could act as cosmic garbage collectors, removing defunct satellites and rocket stages from orbit. Addressing the space debris problem is not just about protecting existing assets. It's about ensuring the future of space exploration. As we venture further into the cosmos, it's crucial to maintain a sustainable and safe environment for spacecraft and astronauts alike. Imagine a future where lunar bases and Martian colonies become a reality. Space debris, if left unchecked, could pose a significant threat to these endeavors. Collisions with habitats or spacecraft could have catastrophic consequences, jeopardizing the lives of astronauts and the success of missions. Furthermore, debris mitigation is crucial for the long-term viability of space-based industries. As we explore commercial activities like asteroid mining and space tourism, a clean orbital environment becomes paramount. Debris collisions could disrupt these industries, hindering innovation and economic growth. By investing in space debris cleanup now, we are paving the way for a future where humanity can continue to explore, discover, and push the boundaries of knowledge. A clean and sustainable space environment is essential for realizing the full potential of our cosmic endeavors. The challenge of space debris is not one that any single nation can solve alone. It requires a coordinated global effort, with countries working together to develop international regulations, share information, and implement debris mitigation strategies. International agreements are crucial for establishing responsible behavior in space. These agreements can set standards for spacecraft design, end-of-life procedures, and debris mitigation measures. By working within a common framework, nations can collectively reduce the risks posed by space debris. Data sharing is another vital aspect of global cooperation. Tracking space debris requires sophisticated sensors and data analysis capabilities. By sharing tracking data and coordinating observation efforts, nations can improve our collective understanding of the debris environment and develop more effective mitigation strategies. Furthermore, joint technology development and knowledge sharing can accelerate the progress of debris cleanup efforts. By pooling resources and expertise, nations can develop and deploy innovative solutions more rapidly, ensuring a safer and more sustainable future for space exploration. The future of space exploration, and indeed our continued use of space-based technologies, hinges on our ability to address the growing problem of space debris. This is not just a technical challenge, but a shared responsibility that demands international cooperation and a commitment to responsible stewardship of our celestial neighborhood. We must advocate for policies that prioritize space sustainability. Governments and space agencies must work together to establish and enforce regulations that minimize debris creation and encourage responsible end-of-life procedures for satellites and spacecraft. Public awareness is also crucial. By educating ourselves and others about the risks posed by space debris, we can help build support for mitigation efforts and encourage responsible behavior in space. The future of space exploration is a shared endeavor, and it requires the collective effort of all humankind. As we stand on the cusp of a new era of space exploration, we must remember that our actions today will shape the future of our journey among the stars. By addressing the space debris challenge head-on, we can ensure that the cosmos remains a pristine frontier for generations to come.